Well, we have talked about string. In this video, I'm talking about string indexing, and it's also can be called at string slicing. Well, what is string indexing? As we know that string is a piece of text. Well, it is a text, and that text is stored in memory somewhere, but in order. Like, let's have hello world. How it is stored in memory? Well, it's stored, the H is stored like 0, E1, L2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let me tell you that string indexing, or that the order will be from 0, not from 1. Well, if you count, it will be from 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and the space also will be a number which is stored. It takes some space in the memory. Well, let's have something from here, like hello, and we want to print this. First of all, let's print this. So it has shown hello world on the console. We have seen this. Now, how to do indexing, like how to find a specific index. For example, let's find what is an index 2. Let's see what is an index 2. It is L, like the index is completely shown. So we have this in a string. Now let's access something else as well, like it is 2, or let's have the 6. What will be the output? Well, L0. Why it is like that? So the H index is 0, 1, 2. It starts from 2 and ends at 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The space is again called a number. Well, it is like when we have like start and end. It is like this. Concept is overall like this. And let's have some other. For example, if I print hello with well 0, 5, and 5, 8, and 2. What does it mean? It means that start, end, and step over. Okay, it will, let's see what it prints. It prints H, L, 0, W, O, W. So it has printed the same thing. Now this is indexing, how to access the index of a string. Overall, it means the same thing. So let's have another example on the same string, like print hello. We have 1. I want to comment out all of them, and just one thing I want to print. Hello world. Why it is like that? It's because there is nothing at the start, at the end, and the step over is in default. If we think in default, it is 1. But if you put like 2, 3, or like that, it takes the same number. So this is indexing, string indexing. Like it means how we can access the index of a string. So overall, we can access with this brackets. So this is one topic, and this another topic is like the string is immutable. Immutability of a string. Well, the string cannot be changed, or cannot be like we can reassign, but not all the things. Like for example, we have hello is equal to hello world. Now let's have hello of, for example, 3. We cannot assign this as hi hi. Okay, like if I print this hello, if I print this hello, it has thrown an error because it is immutable. It does not support the like reassigning a specific index. It is said that type error. Str or string object does not support item assignment. Well, it is immutable. It is the specification of string. This is immutable. It cannot be changed or reassigned, but it can be assigned. Like hello is equal to means hi hi. If I print, let me clear this. If I print once again this hi hi, because it is reassigned, the whole string is reassigned. We cannot reassign a single index or some specific things. Like there are many built-in functions as well of the index. Let's have one of that built-in function, like length. When I say length, it means it asks an object, just have an object, so return the number of items in a container. Well, let's see the length of, this is inbuilt function of the string length of hello. It is 4. Why 4? Because the length is this actually, and we can, like for example, this is 0 1 2 3 4. Hello, the length of hello is 4 because it starts from the 0, not from 1. So there are many I can tell that built-in functions or built-in methods. About method, I will talk about this when classes starts, but here you just know that there are many built-in methods, built-in string methods, and just go through that on Google. You just Google that and ask for inbuilt methods or built-in methods or function of sorry, string. You can find all of them, the list of them. So this is one of them. I just wanted to have a single thing from that, and you can find all of them from the Google. And I think it's not, most of them cannot be used majority of the times, but some of them can be used. And when the usage time comes, you just Google it and you can find it. But the main thing is you should understand how it can work and why it is important.